Oh my god.
This is terrible for the era.
Oh, this kind of sucks.
Oh.
So as part of PASMAG's 25th anniversary this year, we want to dig into the archives and take a look at where it all started and see some of the vehicles from 25 years ago. And to do that, I have the illustrious cast of some of our PASMAG crew here. We have our youngest member, one of our oldest members, and then the dude who sits square in the middle. So you were born in
2003.
2003, and he just started at PASMAG this year. I'm born in 1990. I started in PASMAG 2015, 2016, something like that. Rich, born in
76,
and you started PASMAG in
2000.
PD was nice enough to put together a little list for us. So why don't we get it kicked off and show us what we're working with here?
This,
Holy!
Wow.
is that Novi?
I was gonna say, is this from Dark Knights?
No, because there's grandstands back there.
I don't even know what that is.
Is that it?
Okay.
Is that a Wings West kit?
Or
Is that-
Steez, yeah.
My initial thoughts is, do you know that like OG photo of that Ricer Civic with the sideways license plate on the back and the double wings?
Yeah.
It kind of gives me that vibes. I'm assuming because of the era that's paint, not a wrap, not
Yeah.
platinum.
That's paint.
That's paint, which is
100% paint.
absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, with the amount of molding and custom work I've done body kits in the past, and that's definitely very impressive, the workmanship that's in that car. But
Oh, it's all molded.
it's all molded, yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to roast something, but like that's pretty sick.
That is all.
Oh, there we go.
Ah, there it is.
I can roast that. That's terrible.
I'm gonna be honest. It's terrible, but I respect the
There was a lot of effort, obviously.
steering wheel. There's not a lot.
Back up. That was an equalizer under the deck.
Oh,
What is
yeah,
that steering wheel?
And is that a skull shifter? Yeah.
CRX Type R.
That's the Type R font.
It's not the Type R font. Off Timu,
That isn't
maybe.
even the kicker font.
What fonts are these?
That might be the old kicker font.
Look at that single windshield wiper.
That is Seas West for sure.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna be honest. I respect the craftsmanship that's in this car. The wheels are of era. The fitment is of era. The body kit is of era. Think about how much that paint job would cost today on a CRX.
Yeah.
Just for dropping the car off, no prep, just for them to spray it. 10 grand.
Like, yeah,
Scoop.
I agree with what Yusuf's saying. It's like everything is dated nowadays, but back then this was probably so badass.
What do you think of the wheels back then, like of era?
In 1929, when they invented the Ford Model T, what'd you think?
This was unfortunately the style.
All right, hit me with the next one. We're starting off very strong, by the way. Good choice. Ah, yes. The ultimate what issue? Let's say Veilside issue? No.
Rated R, wow.
I can read. No, it says, where do you see rated? Oh, rated R.
Rated R.
Ultimate Year in Review issue. Okay. Hit me with some pictures of this thing. Is that a map?
Yeah.
A map of what?
What highways are those? Are American highways. I think I see I-95. Okay, so my starting opinions on this car. I don't like Hondas and Acuras whatsoever. All of our production team are all big Honda people. I don't like them. I don't get them. I've had an S2000.
I like
They don't make
Hondas.
sense to me. I love the craftsmanship and the work that went into these cars. I'm going to say that a lot, but
Holy crap.
think about if you were to do that yourself, A, or B, bring it to an interior shop to get done. Think about how much time, money, effort, and design skills it takes to get something to that level. You just don't see that anymore today, which is why I love this whole era's thing.
Right. That front bumper was a bit of a tragedy, but the map, like the geographical livery, is hard.
That was sick.
I was actually here for the shoot. We did this in Montreal
1908.
at the show. I forgot what the name of the show was, but I'd appreciate it. I love the front end. No matter what, that front end is just minus the bumper. That JDM headlight. Oh,
Yeah, I like the lights.
oh, so
I like the fog light in the bumper a lot.
The clear tail lights are very of the time.
Clear tails have come back
It
recently
is
as well.
absolutely
Yeah.
back. Oh, I know this car.
what is this?
Oh my
I
god,
know
never
this
mind.
car.
I take back all of my words.
This.
Oh, it's an Ontario car, eh?
The color doesn't help what's
I love the
going
color
on here.
I love the color.
That's the worst front bumper of all time.
That's the worst interior of all time.
Style.
That's just a Del Sol interior.
No, but how are you supposed to drive this white interior in the sun without blinding yourself?
It's so. What year is this from? This has to be like 2003, 2004. Yeah.
A license,
Like it
yeah.
looks very much like the time period, but not in the good ways. Like if everything that could be dated about this it's very dated. At the time, probably pretty cool, but that like whole mesh behind the front bumper with too many vents in it, Rough.
chicken wire.
Rough.
I'm gonna be honest. If this had a different front bumper, wing, and better fitment, I think it would go hard today.
Yeah, if you change everything about this.
Okay, no,
very
just
good.
front bumper, wing, and like a 15 mil spacer. This would actually go tough.
Yeah,
You could see that at Import
I
Expo.
like Del Solos, so I have a little soft spot.
I don't.
But
I do not.
oh, this kind of sucks.
Oh no, no! You got me so excited when he said 90s Nissans, and then I saw this.
Okay, whatever
What is that fender?
that kit fender thing, throw that out.
Oh,
Even if it was paint matched, I can't even tell if it would be good. I don't think so.
Okay, that in here is gorgeous.
Clean old regular stock S15. Whoa.
What the heck?
Okay.
oh, those Fosgate amps.
Is that
Big effort on the audio
Yeah, look,
install. I'll give him that.
honestly the workmanship is there? He lined everything in leather in the trunk, even the trim. Wow.
See, we're back to the chicken wire and like bad front grill thing.
It's a Spec R at least.
Oh, those. I want to see what that looks like paint match. Like maybe that's a cool
Wheel note is in.
part. No, the wheel, whatever that is. The fender thing.
There's only so many kits that are worth cutting up a nice S15 for, and this one.
You're not allowed to.
What? Those are stock seats. They
Put
never.
picture Yusuf's car right here and cut to him saying there's only a few kits you can cut
Damn.
up an S15.
Damn, hit me with that one. But those are stock seats, stitched in red because they never came red.
Comfiest seats ever.
You could only get blue or orange, black, or leather. You couldn't get the red one, so that's interesting that they did that with the stock seat.
Honestly, if those carbon fiber fender things were paint matched,
Yeah.
maybe this would look sick. I can't tell
Can't.
because it's so off-putting. Edmund, we got Tajay's Acura bot on the screen. Tajay's Acura bot. Can you tell the people what we're looking at right now? Give us the 15-second crash course.
No, I want to know before I start giving the history of this Acura
Oh, God.
Integra. What do you think over there, young one?
This is terrible. Like, usually when there's like period correct cars, I look at them and I'm like, oh, I like the splitter. It gets worse. Wow. I like the splitter. I like the mirror. There's not a single good thing I can say about this car.
Oh,
No offense, or whatever, if you're watching this, but your car is terrible. Wow.
I have nothing to add to this.
Okay, that's the engine bay's nice.
Can you give us the backstory of how this came to be in 10 seconds or less?
It was the best of show car in that era, 2004, 2005, 2006.
In
It's
what?
Still kicking ass in the car shows.
This is kind of an example of like we see it today. We're actually talking about this today, that people that build cars to win awards where they throw everything at a vehicle, like everything you can do
Yeah.
or put on or add to a car. The execution on this is crazy. That is crazy. That
that
whole
is
truck
crazy.
setup is absolutely
Oh,
insane.
You guys don't need me here.
pretty sure Optimus Prime's head like is motorized and comes up.
That's insane.
Yeah, because I was here at this shoot too. Because I'm old.
There's like mini truck stuff in this Integra. Like just the folding decks and the moving head and
This is the definition of way too much money, not enough taste. This is terrible for the era. Never mind, like,
I like it because I know the timeline and like that kind of thing. But today, all of this probably looks pretty out of date.
Honestly, yeah,
okay, I love this.
yeah.
I'm
I'm
in.
still good.
I'm in. Go to the next picture.
This
This is.
I'm in.
05.
right off the bat, I could see V-mount, carbon fiber intake. Nobody really does that on FDs.
Yeah, this is old school FD stuff.
I was gonna say,
This is before FDs were making like 700, 800 horsepower at the push of a button.
by the way, this still has fender liners too, which I respect in FDs.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
Hold
I
up.
would take that.
No, how's
right
it-
now.
It looks like an Endless car because I see Club Endless, Endless USA URL, big Endless livery,
Quite stressful.
Endless sticker on the back bumper. Like, yeah, oh, nice wheels. Right? This guy had it
This
figured
guy had it.
out.
99 spec tails, the shiner diffuser,
Yeah, I'm good.
10 out of 10.
I'll get up.
10 out of 10.
Oh.
Oh. Okay.
Well,
Finally, then you lost me.
9.5 out of 10.
What happened? Is this the same car?
Yeah.
Car needs audio, man.
Not the audio wire, the seat
It's the
backs.
color more than anything to me. The colors inside are throwing me off.
Why?
Audio install is clean, like whatever. But
You can't really use an FD trunk, to be honest, anyways.
yeah, exactly.
Like, they're pretty small.
I still like it.
Still,
I love it. No, I love it. That fitment's great.
One of the best so
That
far.
fitment's perfect.
The livery is super dated, but what can you do when you're going for like the craziest looking thing
To
possible?
be honest, I kind of like it. Delivery. I like it.
I think we're approaching like my golden era too, like as we go past 2005 into like the late 90s, early 2000s. Oh my god.
You spoke too soon on that one.
Holy
No, it's
hell.
TRX.
That is it?
Cavalier.
Oh,
Initial
I
thought.
can hear Limp Bizkit blasting from this thing's audio system right now.
I can picture the outfit that the owner of this is wearing in my head exactly.
The baggiest jorts you've ever seen.
They're so baggy and the wife beater is so tight.
What am I looking at in this picture?
those are seats.
What the f?
There's no way this is real. This looks like a sketch.
Oh,
That is
wow.
ridiculous.
But hey,
That's gotta hurt. Every part of this has to hurt. No.
There's no way somebody could actually drive.
Is this real? This photo looks like it was drawn by ChatGPT.
No, this is. Whoa.
that's effort though.
Okay, this is effort. This is an undrivable piece of machine and it's automatic. This is not a drivable vehicle.
That is insane. As like a rolling piece of art, if it rolls.
If it wasn't a
Like,
Cavalier.
as an art project, like crazy. No one has come close to doing some nonsense like this in the modern day at this point.
No.
But as a vehicle, oh, I hate it.
This is bad.
That livery is like the tribal tattoo of barbed wire
I like how we
of a
put.
vehicle.
I like how we put the grocery list sideways so that when the Lambo door is up, it sits straight. That's kind of cool.
Oh, that's
Oh, I
That's
didn't
kinda
even
sick.
catch that. I
That's
didn't even
kinda
catch
sick.
that. All right.
That's a detail.
That's a slick little detail. I like that.
This thing is awful otherwise, though.
Last one?
Last one,
All right.
okay.
This has been really fun.
Oh,
Excited to see.
I'm
Good
good.
stuff.
I'm
It's
good.
on rubber
Nice
band.
guys, that guy, the show's done.
Is this Kenny's car?
Yeah,
Basically.
same.
Pretty-
LS 430.
I don't like that it's on rubber bands for tires.
Oh,
TV's in the back of the headrest. Yes, sir.
that's the back of the seat.
Oh man.
That's
First VIP issue ever.
Dressed to kill. More models than you can handle.
This is crazy. What the heck?
It's in Vegas too. I see the Vegas background.
Not surprised.
okay. Let's see more of this.
I love the fenders a lot. Honestly, great. Love it.
Wait a second.
Other than the 27-inch
If
dub
this
wheels, I
pulled
like
up,
it.
it would have my attention.
Are those AME
Yeah,
wheels?
there's still baby on wheels though.
Yeah, they are.
The wheels could lose like an inch of diameter.
2
It'd
inches
still
of
be
diameter.
fine. Yeah,
And his front fitment could gain an inch of space here, but
Cool.
it's a different story.
I like it.
That's a lot of front lip.
That's a banger.
Jeez.
That's a good way to end it.
That's it, man.
All right, stay tuned for more because we're gonna look at more awesome old feature cars. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let us know what you thought. You got a favorite from that era? Do you have a car that you know was in Pass Mag that we need to look at? Let us know, and hopefully we'll get to it. Bye.
But why were they all Hondas? Wow.